Hey, how you doing? My name is Kevin Clark. I'm from the UK. I've been affiliate marketing for over 10 years. I have invested a lot of time and money, and I have learnt quite a bit, and I'm thankful, and it's now time to pour back in to others. So I'm really excited about what I'm going to share with you because I know it can potentially change your life, and that's providing you take action. Don't just listen to the information, just follow the steps and you'll get results. I was made redundant twice. I thought to myself, this has got to change. For things to change, I have to change. So I started to read different books. I started to go to seminars and learn and follow principles that the rich were doing. And I started out as an affiliate marketer. Somebody showed me a strategy. I went to a seminar in Earls Court, London. I was invited by my ex-girlfriend, and there was a gentleman by the name of Mark Anastasi, and he was sharing some systems, and he shared a basic system, and it was how to make money as an affiliate thanks to Clickbank. And I copied what he was teaching, and I started to get results. He then contacted me because I started to get a bit more popular and asked me if I'd like to be in his book, The Laptop Millionaire. Mark Anastasi is very, very successful. I'm in page 77, so you can read about me right there. And I was very well known for YouTube and Clickbank marketing. So that was my niche. And I dominated it very well. So that's enough about me. Let's move on. So let's get started. How to make money with Clickbank, okay? Go to Clickbank, clickbank.com. Sign up. It's free. Get yourself a nickname. That nickname will be integrated to Clickbank's products, their database. So whenever you're promoting a Clickbank product, your nickname will correspond to the product that you're promoting. Once you promote a Clickbank product, you will be paid commission each time somebody buys that product. Simple as that. So once you've created your Clickbank nickname, we're then going to go to CB Pro Ads. Sign up. It's free. There's two ways you can go about it. You can sign up for free. If you want to really speed up things, then I strongly advise you to sign up to the Pro account because you'll get more access to more tools which will help you to make money much more faster. So once you've signed up into CB Pro Ads, you'll have loads of tools inside here that will help you make affiliate cash. The beauty about CB Pro Ads is once you click on profile settings, you'll then you fill out the details and there'll be a section that will allow you to place your Clickbank nickname. Once you've done that, you will automatically be connected to over 6,000 products inside Clickbank, and CB Pro Ads gives you your own storefront. So I'll give you an example. If I go to version 4, whenever CB Pro Ads updates their storefronts, they give you a link to the new look. So for example, that's one of my storefronts, and it's called the Clickbank storefront. You can create your own logos, you can personalize, you can change things around in your own storefront for your own feel. And as you can see here, all niches. Every one of these niches have my Clickbank nickname embedded in the products. So if I click on photography as an example here, see how you've got all these products here, look, with the images, everything, all professional. If I click on that, let's say I'm a visitor and I've just clicked on the storefront link and I've clicked on this photography product. If I was to buy this product, If you look at the bottom here, affiliate equals press fourth. That's my Clickbank affiliate nickname. So my nickname has been integrated into that product. So whoever buys from this storefront, I'm going to make a commission off. Powerful. So the benefits of CB Pro Ads. CB Pro Ads have done all the hard work for you. They've created the store for you. They've given you all these tools. So if I go to Ad Generator, you've got contextual ads, widget ads for your iPhone, image block ads, image carousel ads, image list ads, sliding box show ads, slideshow ads, and you can integrate all of the ads. So if I give you an example here, if I click on image block ads, step 1, choose ad size format. Okay. Channels enable you to view detailed reportings about the performance of specific pages and ad units. So it's really tailor-made to suit you. Show ads based upon keywords specified in the box. Okay. Categories. Show all ads randomly from the categories chosen below. So once you've done all of that, you simply click on Generate Script, and it will generate a script with all of the ads that you would like to personally promote. Okay. Pro account. Once you've got a pro account, it will open up a whole new realm of possibilities in order for you to make money. There's an affiliate program embedded in it as well. So when you promote CB Pro ads, you're rewarded each time a person joins up, and you get commission each time a person buys from people that sign up underneath you. Awesome 2-tier, 3-tier system, and it's free to start with. You can get reports on sales and promotional tools. So let's move on to traffic. Very simple. eBay. You can get listings for free. Create a simple ad, simple title. So let's say you want to promote the affiliate side of CB Pro Ads. So you build an army of people promoting products and you getting commissions of them. All you do is you create a simple ad. Just be yourself. Tell the truth. Put the links here. Show support for people that sign up that might need help. Like for example, there's my details. You can Skype me, Kevin Clark UK. Facebook, Kevin Clark UK, telephone number. Okay, and just put a link inside there where your potential customers can click. Once they click on that link, they'll be taken to CB Pro Ads page. It's really as simple as that, where they can sign up and get the system going. Okay, so if I show you, for example, this is what people will end up on once they've clicked on the link. A professional looking opportunity. So they then sign up, and you'll be paid a commission each time people sign up for their own Clickbank stores. So that's one traffic method. Let's move on to the next traffic method. YouTube. Yep, YouTube is amazing. YouTube is just continually growing. YouTube is excellent, and it's fast and free. Sign up, get a YouTube account going. It's simple. Okay, you just go to youtube.com, sign up to YouTube. Once you've done so, you can create simple free videos. Find a video creator. Windows Movie Maker as an example. There's plenty of tools where you can just create simple free videos. You don't have to be in the videos, but I'd encourage you to put a voice on your videos or show your face, because building rapport is really important. But again, if you're really shy, then just put like a 5-second, you can outsource it, get someone else to make a video, or you can just do clips. You can be just words. You can use just loads of tools you can use basically to create like PowerPoint presentations you can use. There's just loads of tools you can use to create little short videos at the end of the day. So that's all you need to do. Upload them to YouTube, and then in the description box you can just place your affiliate link in there. That will take the customers to your CB Pro Ads store. Okay? And then when they click on a link and make a purchase, you get paid handsome commissions. It's as simple as that. Don't underestimate the power of YouTube. Don't underestimate the power of YouTube. You'll see the money coming in. So that's it from me. If you want to ramp up things, if you want to start making some serious commissions really quickly, then click on the link below. That will take you to the affiliate page which I've just showed you, where you can sign up and get full access to all of those Clickbank tools, so that you can promote the products and just make money very, very quick. Take immediate action. Be the change you want to see. That's it from me, Kevin Clark, believing in you.